Your broker is just like this supermarket, जहां पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. All you need is some money. अब आपके पास कुछ सेविंग्स हैं जो आप शेयर्स में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, और मैं आपको ऐसे ही किसी सुपरमार्केट में ले आया हूं, जहां पे सब कुछ क्लियरली लेबल्ड है विद द राइट वैरायटी एंड ऑप्शंस, जस्ट लाइक दिस. वेल, अब अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट करना एप्पल खाने जितना आसान होता तो शायद हम सब लोग जल्दी रिटायरमेंट लेकर किसी एक्सोटिक लोकेशन पे चिल कर रहे होते. बट फॉर मोस्ट पीपल लाइफ इज नेवर सो इजी. लुक एट दैट जेंटलमैन. इनको अपने प्रेशियस सेविंग स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करने, बट करंटली देयर आर जस्ट टू मेनी ऑप्शंस एंड टू मेनी गुरुज गिविंग स्टॉक टिप्स. ब्रो,
हाँ जी,
आपके तो सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट सॉर्ट आउट हो गए हैं लगता है.
आपको देख के लग रहा है. Looks like I'm going to buy the lottery ticket. एक वो जो अंकल आते हैं ना टीवी पे, you must be knowing him.
वो स्टॉक गुरु.
Exactly. इन लोगों का एडवाइस फॉलो करके I've landed with this mess. Now you tell me what to do.
That's why we have created small case, so that you don't have to do the hard work that you're doing right now.
अरे पर what is a small case?
A small case is a ready-made basket of stocks or ETFs, which reflect an idea, theme, or strategy.
फिर से बताओ.
You know what? Follow me, and you can leave your basket over here.
Oh, what's this?
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
What do you think, according to you, is the future of the Indian economy?
Well, to begin with, Indian economy is going good. In fact, you know, I was reading somewhere that 45 crore people will be joining the middle class in the coming next 15 years, which according to me is huge to say the least.
That's quite impressive, bro. And you're absolutely right, which means more buying power.
Absolutely.
अब पैसा है तो डिमांड भी बढ़ेगा.
अरे of course यार, यही होना है.
So now what do you think these people will do with the income they are left with after paying for rent and food? Luxuries, branded products, travel.
And this is exactly where I want to invest.
That shows you're a smart investor who knows how to spot an opportunity. With the great Indian middle class small case, you can invest in all those companies who will benefit from the growing consumer demand. Through just a single product, you can invest in a ready-made portfolio of stocks.
Well, that all sounds very great, but then who puts together these portfolios?
These guys. Small cases are created by SEBI-registered professionals who have an idea or strategy. These guys do all the hard work of selecting stocks and deciding how much money is allocated to each stock. Remember, there are many such small cases and enough options for everyone.
What if I need to know more about small cases? Like, you know, their, let's say their past performances, their stock selection or things like that.
You know, when you're ready to invest, we present all the necessary information for you to make a decision. Here's the CAGR. Today's change and risk profile. You can see all the stocks and weights. See the criteria behind picking of these stocks. Measure past performance of lump sum and SIP. You can also see the news related to these stocks. All you have to do is click invest.
That's really cool, but you know, पापा कहते हैं कि पैसे डालो तो म्यूचुअल फंड में डालो. What is the difference between mutual fund and small case?
पापा सही कहते हैं. Mutual funds gives you diversification in your investment, whereas single stocks are risky. I'm sure अगर पापा को small case के बारे में पता होता, then he would have recommended it too. Small cases से भी आपको diversified portfolio मिलते हैं. However, compared to mutual funds, it is more transparent and you have more control. You know exactly where your money is going.
But isn't mutual funds a similar thing?
Hold on to this. Now this is your mutual fund. You really have no idea where your money is invested in. Mutual funds are handled by a fund manager who actively manages your portfolio. With mutual funds, you only get to see the daily change in your portfolio value. Whereas with small cases, everything is transparent. With mutual funds, you only get units. But with small case, the shares are deposited in your Demat account. You can proudly call yourself a shareholder. अरे कहाँ गया? अरे तू यहाँ पहुँच गया?
देख भाई, now that you've explained me what small cases are, I'm really interested to know how much will I be charged for this?
You know, when you invest in small cases, you only pay when you transact. There are no expense ratios. Unlike in a mutual fund who charge you up to 2.5%.
Exactly. Yeah.
What's more, expense ratio is deducted from your investment on a daily basis.
मतलब कि लो कॉस्ट है, आसानी से स्टॉक इन्वेस्टिंग है. यार तुम्हें को पहले क्यों नहीं मिल गया? एक बात बता. हैं? I had much clearer picture and much less trouble going through all of this. Thank you so much.
So what are you guys waiting for? Stop picking stocks that you don't understand. Instead, invest in ideas that you believe in through small cases. और आप भी हमारे लाखों इन्वेस्टर्स की तरह स्मार्टली इन्वेस्ट कीजिए.
Log in with your Angel Broking account to start investing in small cases.